Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Galuh Puspita Ekawati, and I would like to explain about verb, indirect object, and direct object. The indirect object identifies the person or things for whom or what the action of the verb is performed. The indirect object is usually a person or thing. And then the direct object is the receiver of the action mentioned in the sentence. For example, my mother bought me a necklace. My mother here stands for the noun phrase or the subject. Bought is for the verb. Me is the indirect object. And a necklace is the direct object. The next example is Tita buys him a black jacket. Tita stands for the noun phrase or subject. Buys is for the verb. And him is for the indirect object. And a black jacket is for the direct object.
Hello everyone, my name is Farizka. Now I will talk about verb, direct object, and object complement. Direct object is the thing being acted by the verb, while object complement is word that describe the direct object. They would always follow the direct object. I have 3 examples here. The first one is we all consider Floretta gorgeous. We all is the subject, consider is the verb, Floretta is the direct object, and gorgeous is object complement adjective that describe Floretta. The second example is my friends found Brian loyal. My friend is the subject, found is the verb, Brian is the direct object, and loyal is object complement adjective that describing Brian. The last example is the club elected Kevin leader. The club is the subject, elected is the verb, Kevin is the direct object that acted by the verb, and leader is the object complement noun that describing Kevin.
Hi everyone, my name is Firda Yanuar, and now I will explain about noun phrase structure that contain of verb, direct object, and adverbial. So, direct object is a noun phrase. It can be a person or thing that answer the question of who or what. And adverbial are words that we use to give more information about a verb. And now, let's take a look at the example. The first example is Roxanne was drinking a cold water at the party. So, Roxanne here is the subject of the sentence. Next, we have was drinking as the verb of the sentence. So, the verb of the sentence is was drinking. And now, a cold water. A cold water here is a noun phrase that be the direct object of the sentence. It answers the question of what thing was Roxanne drinking at party. And then the answer is a cold water. And the last part in the sentence, we have at the party as the adverbial that giving an information about where is something happen. The second example is Bruno wears a striped pajamas every night. The word Bruno here is the subject of the sentence. And for the verb, we have the word wears. And the word a striped pajamas here is standing for a direct object. It answers the question about what thing that Bruno wears every night. And the answer is a striped pajamas. Next, we have the words every night that is the adverbial of the sentence. And it is explained about the time or when is something happen. And the last example for this structure is Chloe eat a chicken soup in her house. So the subject of the sentence, of course, is Chloe. And for the verb, we have the word eat. And the word a chicken soup here is the noun phrase that be a direct object of the sentence. It explains about what thing is Chloe eat, and also we have the words in her house, which is the adverbial that explain about where is something happen.
Hi guys, it's me again, Galuh. So the next material I would like to explain to you is subject complement and adverbial. Subject complement is a word or phrase that follows linking verb or verb and identifies or describes the subject. So the first example is Budi became a quiet boy after his father passed away. Budi here is stand for the noun phrase or subject. Became is for the verb. A quiet boy is the subject complement. And after his father passed away is the adverbial. The next example is Laura were an artist before her marriage. So Laura here is the noun phrase or subject. Were is the verb. An artist is the subject complement. And before her marriage is the adverbial.